Alrighty, probably the last cold start video of the 2019-2020 season. Got down to like 8 or 9 below last night. We don't have a lot of cold weather in our forecast, so we don't really have a lot. So we're gonna kick this puppy on, let her rattle through a couple. Alright. Right now it's somewhere around 0. Pressure. There comes oil pressure. Starting to level out. There we go. Cruise set, 800 RPM. Now just leave her alone for a little bit while she warms up. As you can see, we still got snow out here. The engines are running. I'll have to start that one up later today. We got a dusting of about 7-8 inches yesterday, and I gotta, when I move the truck, I'll have to clean up the snow here. But alrighty, toodaloo.